In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change background in Gimp. So first open up a layer, then go to File at the top, then click on Open as Layers, and select the image with the background you'd like to remove and open it up. Now in the Layers panel, select that image layer. The next is grab the Fuzzy Select tool in the left panel and select the areas in the background you would like to remove. And to select more areas, hold the Shift button on your keyboard. Then with your left mouse, continue selecting areas until the whole background has been selected. And once done, simply press the delete button on your keyboard. Now, once done in the layers panel, select background and this time click on file at the top and click on open as layers. And this time select the image you would like to use as background. Then open it up and now reposition your image background by using the move tool. Make necessary adjustments until you achieve the look that you want. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.